athletes look like they are almost ready to go. So again, event 39, this is the final third heat, and the final and third heat of the girls under 12. In lane 1 we have Berwick, in lane 2 Werribee, lane 3 Geelong, lane 4 is Knox B, lane 5 Keilor, lane 6 Warrnambool, lane 7 Ringwood, and in lane 8 we have Coburg. The athletes are on their marks. And what would appear from the seeded times, Geelong looks like it's our fastest qualifier, almost 2 clear seconds ahead of their next competitor in lane 2 and 5. So we're looking from Geelong from lane 3, but also on the outside Ringwood from lane 7 is right amongst it as well. You can see Geelong from lane 3 coming up through the field. They look to appear like they're going to change first. Then Ringwood, Keilor, Werribee. Coming down to the final change, it's Geelong, Ringwood, Keilor, Knox, Werribee, Coburg. But it does look like Geelong are convincingly going to take out this particular heat from lane 3. Ringwood, Warrnambool, I think it might have been as well. And no doubtly Knox and Keilor amongst that as well.